Retinol is on everyone's wanna try list, but the irritation, the peeling, kinda scary, right? Not sure how to use it effectively without freaking your skin out? Then listen up. Hi Wishtrenders, it's Yunha. When you hear the golden ingredient of well-aging, what pops into your head? Right, retinol. But have you ever felt that stinging sensation or noticed your skin peeling the moment you applied it? Today, we're diving into how retinol actually works within the skin. And for those with sensitive skin, we will also explore a gentler alternative called Bakuchiol. All of this backed by skincare science as always. And yes, we've got researcher Yuna with us again today. Ready to get into it? Let's bring in our skin expert, researcher Yuna. Researcher Yuna, come on in! Hey there, it's researcher Yuna. Today, we're diving into retinol. Retinol isn't just a wrinkle fighter. It's a powerful ingredient that transfers into retinoic acid in the skin, working all the way down at the cellular level to bring about the real changes. So, how does this transformation happen? Let me break it down. First, retinol is converted into retinol by skin enzymes called RDH10 and ALDH1A1. Then, retinol is further converted into retinoic acid by RALDH enzyme. Once retinol is converted into retinoic acid inside your skin, then retinoic acid binds to a specific receptors called RAR and RXR. These receptors then start regulating cellular activity, things like how your skin cells grow, divide, and repair themselves. In simpler terms, when you apply retinol, it eventually turns into an active form that works deep in your skin right at the genital level. And that's what kickstarts skin renewal and targets signs of aging. So, how exactly does retinol do in the skin? It works differently in each layer. In stratum corneum, it speeds up cell turnover, making skin smoother and reducing flakiness. As it gets absorbed into the epidermis, it boosts keratinocyte proliferation, which strengthens your skin barrier and helps keep your skin hydrated. When it reaches the dermis, it stimulates fibroblasts to increase collagen production and elastin formation, improving wrinkles and skin firmness. It also works on pores and sebaceous glands, helping regulate sebum production and clearing out keratin buildup inside the pores, leading to reduced oldness and smaller looking pores. In short, retinol doesn't just target fine lines. It's a multitasker that improves texture, pores, firmness, and overall skin health from the surface down to the deeper layers. Getting the hang of retinol now? But wait! Most people start using retinol because they want smoother, more even skin texture, right? That's tied to a key concept, skin cell turnover. Let me explain how that works next. Did you know that healthy skin renews itself every 28 days? But as we age, this cycle slows down to 40 to 60 days. That means that skin cells don't shed properly. They build up on the surface in the pores, leading to wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and breakouts. So, how can we bring our skin turnover cycle back to 28 days? That's where retinol comes in. So, how does retinol actually work? First, retinol stimulates keratinocyte production in the epidermis. This means your skin generates new cells faster, gradually speeding up the turnover cycle. And when your turnover cycle is back on track, your stratum corneum won't get too thick, so your skin stays smooth. That skin cells shed properly, preventing clogged pores and raw texture. Melanin production is regulated, which helps fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Basically, retinol resets your skin's natural rhythm, bringing it back to your more youthful state. Now that you know how retinol works, doesn't it make more sense? I hope you all get to experience these amazing benefits. But I know some of you might be worried about irritation using retinol. MC Yuna is gonna talk more about that. This has been Researcher Yuna. See you next time! Thanks, Researcher Yuna. Now it's my turn. Like we just talked about, people with sensitive skin often struggle with using retinol. It's super effective, but it can also cause irritation. That's why a new ingredient has been getting a lot of attention lately as a retinol alternative, and that is Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is a natural plant-derived phenolic compound extracted from the seeds of Sorelia carylifolia, a plant native to the India and Southeast Asia. Its molecular structure is completely different from retinol, but it triggers similar gene expression patterns, leading to what's called retinol-like activity. Bakuchiol has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. And the best part? Unlike retinol, it doesn't cause photosensitivity. So it's safe for long-term use. So how is it different from retinol? Check out the comparison chart. If you want to take a screenshot, get ready now! Did everyone understand retinol and Bakuchiol? Then let's take a look at the Bakuchiol in skincare products and see how it works on the skin. Today's product is by Wishtrend Vitamin Amazing Bakuchiol Night Cream. It contains Bakuchiol and retinol, which helps even out the skin like retinol while reducing irritation. Now let's analyze the ingredients. First, by Wishtrend Vitamin Amazing Bakuchiol Night Cream contains 10,000 ppm of Bakuchiol. As I mentioned earlier, Bakuchiol has a different molecular structure from retinol. However, it functions similarly to retinol. According to a 2014 study published in the British Journal of Dermatology, Bakuchiol increases type 1 collagen synthesis genes and inhibits MMP enzymes just like retinol. This means it improves wrinkles, enhances skin elasticity, and smooths skin texture. But unlike retinol, Bakuchiol works without irritation, which is a huge plus. On top of that, Bakuchiol is a powerful antioxidant that inhibits reactive oxygen species production, protecting skin cells from oxidative stress. We all know that oxidative stress is a major cause of our skin aging, right? So, using Bakuchiol can help prevent wrinkles and loss of elasticity. Bakuchiol also has anti-inflammatory and soothing effects. It inhibits the NF-kappa B pathway, reducing the secretion of inflammatory mediators like TNF-alpha and IL-6, which helps reduce skin irritation and inflammation. That's why it's effective for acne-prone and sensitive skin. Lastly, Bakuchiol inhibits production by suppressing tyrosinase activity and blocking the melanin biosynthesis pathways, helping to improve dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. Its brightening effects are comparable to retinol, making it a great alternative. In addition to Bakuchiol, this product also contains 300 ppm of retinol. As researcher Yuna explained earlier, retinol is a more potent derivative of retinol that requires one less conversion step to become retinoic acid. This makes it stronger than retinol, but with fewer side effects than retinoic acid. Since it's already partially activated, it gets absorbed into the skin and converts to retinoic acid more quickly, delivering faster results. Once converted to retinoic acid, it binds to RAR in skin cells, stimulating collagen synthesis, keratinocyte differentiation, and melanin suppression, all essential processes for skin regeneration. Additionally, this cream contains beta-glucan and panthenol for hydration and soothing effects. Now that we've broken it down, don't you think this product has a lot of great functions? It delivers results while being gentle on the skin, making it a great option for wishtrenders who struggle with retinol. Today, we analyzed how retinol and Bakuchiol work on the skin, their pros and cons, and how to use them in the skincare. Let's summarize. Retinol, powerful wrinkle improvement and skin turnover acceleration, but it can be irritating. Bakuchiol, similar effects to retinol but gentler on the skin, making it great for sensitive skin. So, which one should you choose? If you want stronger results, I recommend using a retinol product. But if you prefer a gentler option with retinol-like effects, Bakuchiol is the way to go. Lately, I've seen a lot of comments saying that ingredient breakdowns have been helpful. So, if you have any ingredients you're curious about, research your Yuna and I will analyze them for you. Let us know and we will bring you even more useful content. Yunha, I'm curious about how this ingredient works on the skin. Yunha, do you think this ingredient will work well for me? Anything is welcome. Feel free to ask. If you're excited about the next video, like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!